Hello, ladies. If you're hearing from me, that must mean it's time for a new lesson. We are on 8-8, page 410, and this is an easy day. So make sure you soak this up because it's getting harder. But today is an easy one. There are a lot of words for you to note if you are doing that. But as far as work goes and understanding goes, it's really easy. So you have the concept of a 3D figure, three-dimensional. And so they talk about the vocabulary here, a face and an edge. And as you can see the picture, a face is the flat part of the shape. And I will say the side, the flat side. Flat side is the face. And then you have the edge is obviously where two faces meet. And then you have the bases, which makes it 3D. And they do the dotted line to show you the depth, how that shape is going back. Not forward, but back. And they give you the word prism. Prism has to be a 3D. It can't be 2D. It's a 3D figure, and it's going to have two parallel faces, meaning it's going to have a top and a bottom, okay? And those are called bases. Then you have the ever lovely cube. I love drawing cubes. I don't like drawing prisms, but I like drawing cubes, 3D cubes. And so all of the faces in a cube, mathematically, are squares. Then you have the cylinder. Cylinder, to me, is just, like a canned good, a can of soup, can of tuna, that kind of thing. Two congruent bases that are circles. The height is the length of the perpendicular segment that joins the bases. So the line that will touch from base to base. Then you have the pyramid. Triangular faces, and they meet at one point, hence the word pyramid. And then you have, as we get into angle terms, because it's a triangle, you have then the vertex where two rays meet, and then your bottom is your base. Okay? So that's a whole lot of words. So if you're writing those down, good luck to you. The lesson part today. Oh, sorry, there's more up here. So then you have the cone. The cone reminds me of like a party hat or like a cone that you put out at gym time. It's going to have a circular base and it's going to come to a point. Now, these aren't angles like in the pyramid. They're not going to be triangles that meet. It's just that the base is a circle and where that goes up for the height is going to be the vertex, and that's where it stops. The sphere is, our circle, our basketball, our baseball, some sort of ball is always a sphere, the moon and so forth. It's where all the points are equidistant from the center. Okay, we've done circles before, no big deal. All right, so the tasks today are to name figures. So as they have here some children's blocks, they want you to, there's a 1 and a 2 and a 3. The 1 is kind of dark, but they say 3 is a cylinder because it looks like a soup can. That's me saying that. That's not why they say it. 2 is going to be a cone because it has a circular base and it meets up. As you look at number 1, number 1 is going to be the triangular prism. The point, can't find my finger. Oh, there's my finger. Nope, there's my finger. The point is right here and the base is right there. Sorry. This whole video thing is deceiving. Next thing they want you to do, I hope you're laughing at me. Next thing they want you to do is then draw 3D figures, and they will always give you a little snippet of graph paper for you to do this with. And again, to show the depth, you're always going to show that with the dotted lines. They show you in the steps, and this can be kind of cool. I know, Nicole, you like to draw, and so maybe you use these steps already to show depth in your drawings. If you were going to draw a hexagonal prism, we go back to the definition of hexagon, meaning that it has 6 sides. And so they draw this one like this, and then you have to draw a second one that has to be the same size. And then you're going to draw the lines to connect them. And again, if it has depth, you're going to do those with the dashed lines. They say for hidden edges. And that's it. See what I mean? I'm going to walk you through 6 through 11 because I don't think we even need to waste time doing a You Try Day. So 6, as you can see, it's the soup can type image. And so that is a what? A cylinder. 7 is a what? Oh, did I hear you say cone? Yes, that's a cone. 8 is a what? Don't say circle. 8 is a sphere. 9, have to count the sides of the base or count the faces, but I like counting the base better. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, I hope you said hexagonal pyramid. 10 is a cone that's fallen over. And 11, 1, 2, 3, 4. But it has a base with right angles, but it comes to a point, and if it comes to a point, it has to be a pyramid, and so the base has 4 sides. This is where it gets a little bit hard. 11 is called a rectangular pyramid. You, my dear friends in green math, you cannot just say pyramid. You have to say the shape of the base. Now, a cone is a cone. You don't say a circular cone. For a pyramid, you need to give the size of the base, and the sides goes back to your polygon days, looking at how many sides the base has. So 11 would be a rectangular pyramid. Other than that, they start having you draw. Use some graph paper to draw, and that's why I just don't want to waste your time. So we're going to have you go ahead and do practice 8-8. You will have to draw, so you can't answer it here in the Google Classroom for me, so I will look forward to your email of practice 8-8. I will put it as a question so that you can tell me something interesting because interesting is good at this point. I will see you for Zoom. See you later. Bye.